Okay.
Oh, please record on.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
So here you see basically what I said, I repeat it because it's recording again. So I'm saying there's the way we have in Jira, the different stages when you develop your product for Salesforce. You test it in the
Hello.
developer sandbox, and then after that you move the changes to the SIT, and from SIT to staging to QA, and QA to the last one is production, right? UAT and then production. These are 5 stages your component needs to go through, and you have to test in all the stages. So that's the way we can like project planning you can see in the Azure, in the Jira. The similar thing you can achieve here in the DevOps center. Okay, and you have to first of all, this DevOps center you have to enable in your production. DevOps center cannot be enabled in the sandbox. Okay, it's basically a, the same thing like we have Bitbucket, right? Like we have Tortoise Git, similar this kind of tools, basically for the deployment, right? First of all, I pull the changes from the branch and push the changes from the branch, and from one stage to another stage, it is going one after another. And this is the final stage of development, and it shows that your project is successfully delivered to the DevOps center. And from there, like, if some company they keep other tool to do this kind of project planning things, right? So, and for Salesforce, given this, you don't need to go anywhere. We are going to give you all kind of features. You don't need to purchase anything from other tool like Bitbucket, Azure, anywhere. Be on the Salesforce, use my product. I'll give you all the features which you are receiving it from the future, like from the previous tools, either Azure, either Jira, either anything. Got it? Am I clear till now? Or कुछ ज़्यादा फालतू बोल गया?
Yeah.
You get it, guys, right?
Maybe.
Afseen, Kajal,
Yeah.
Kunal,
Yeah.
Suraj, Satyam,
Yeah.
Sarwan. All good?
No, no, no.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
right. Okay.
Perfect. So let me share the steps. Oh, sorry, this is a different thing. 1 second. DevOps Center. DevOps. 1 second. This is my personal one. Let me check it. This. Okay, so this is the steps which I follow for the DevOps Center. Okay, you cannot practice it, but yeah, you can keep it for you where you got any work in Nootry or some other company. If you join in future, you can check it there. It will for your future perspectives. Okay, because Salesforce is a huge thing. There's a, you know numerous of things you'll find in Salesforce, numerous of cloud, numerous of work. If you cannot say anytime, hey guys, I know everything about Salesforce, not possible. Even Sales Cloud also contain numerous of things. It's never any process. Salesforce, from my understanding, I think my life is not kept completed. Like not, what can I say? In my entire life, I cannot learn everything about the Salesforce. So I think it's वो कहते हैं life कम पड़ जाएगी, something like that. So it's that much big if you will work in all the clouds. So that's good. Okay, so you see this is the installation, how you have to follow. First of all, how you install this is the article you have to follow. In the article, if I open, if you see here, my screen visible, guys, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yes.
no, sorry. So here you'll see enable and install DevOps Center in your org. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see over here to set up from setup into a developer console, quick find box, like DevOps Center, whatever the step it is showing, I'll show it to you. Don't worry. Okay, use my org. I'll come here, click on setup. Okay, and in the DevOps, I'll type here in the quick find box and to type DevOps Center because it's my production. Okay, DevOps Center. This is the one. If you click on it, you'll get off. You have to enable this first. Yeah. Okay. Let's wait for. The moment you enable this, you have to install this package. Okay. जैसे कि आप इसको sorry. If you enable and disable and enable, and then you have to install this package. When you're ready with this, you have to first of all create your Git repository, like you have your Git account. Then only you can utilize this feature. First step, enable this, install this package. Now let's go to the article and have a check. If you see, yeah, from setup into DevOps Center in the quick find box, then select DevOps. See the point. If you don't see the DevOps Center as an option under setup in your developer edition, it's likely that the org was created before DevOps Center was introduced. It does not have correct permission to continue, create another developer edition orgs. Okay. But the point is, if you use it, will come in the developer edition org. But the problem here is, you will not see the sandbox over there. What I'm trying to say, I'll tell you. Exactly. Here you, if you type, it's my proper sandbox. 1 second. Search of different internet sandbox. Yeah. See, I got an option to create a sandbox, and I created two sandbox for me. You know, if with the help of DevOps Center, you can skip your change set deployment. You can do directly with everything over here. See, so these two sandbox I created. I'll develop here first of all, and develop and deploy here, and then after that I'll see the deployment progresses. So if you see your developer edition or the free org, you'll not get these features, right? To create a sandbox, correct? So that's why you cannot utilize the entire features of DevOps Center. Got it? Any question is? Dash one. Okay. Sorry. I wanted to show you why it is not visible in your. This is my developer edition of free org. Okay, I created from my, from my trailhead. Like from there, I created. Like from developer dots, this one developer edition dot. This way you create developer dot sign in successful. From here I created. Okay, so this is a developer edition. Okay, from here you can create it. Yeah. From here I created this. Now I'll just type over here. See, the URL is a different one. DevOps Center. It's there, right? DevOps Center is there, but you do not have the sandbox option over here. Also here, see. First of all, I need to configure. The moment I configure it, this except you see the install package. From here you can install this, okay? And then here in the DevOps Center, after this you have to type here sandbox. You will not see this option because it's a free org. Sandbox. See, nothing is there because it's a free one. So after this, you have to install this package. Let me click on install package. Let me click on the install package, and here you can install it for admin only. Okay. Then after that, this will continue. DevOps Center is enabled. Now let's go. Let it install. Meanwhile, let me show you something else. So create first of all. After you've done with all of these steps, you have to do this. I'll tell you. Enable the DevOps Center that review and accept the opted in terms. You can disable in the preference anytime. Disabling the preference means that you can't install the app or update. If the DevOps Center is already installed, disabling the preference prevented access to a DevOps Center application. Okay. After that, click for installation, install for admin, right? The same thing which I showed you. Approve to test.sandbox. This is for sandboxes, right? And this is for production, right? And then next step, after doing this, we need to create a connected app. Okay. I'll click on this, the connected app. Let me copy this and open it for you guys. I'll send this a step, okay, for the DevOps Center. Just a second, guys. Let me fix the background noise. I'm just having a problem with the background. Okay, guys. Thank you for waiting. Yeah. Now you see, we have to create a connected app. So how I did it, let me show you. I come over here. I'll show you here only. I type here app manager. One second. App manager. Yeah. You have to click. I'll show you which app manager I'm talking about and what exactly. If you see here, create a connected app. Name this to DevOps Center. New connected app, DevOps Center, and these are the contact support email, and these are this information descriptions. So this much you have to create in your production, right? And then you see here, I'll show you the DevOps Center of mine. Scroll down. DevOps Center, DevOps Center. Yeah, this is the DevOps Center. I created it. Okay. View. DevOps Center. Yeah. So here you see I given this name. This is the contact email, right? And it's automatically appeared over here, right? And after that, I pass this start URL, which helps. This is a, you know, DevOps Center. Okay. So this one I created. After doing this is a very basic step, nothing new I did it, just nothing fancy over here. I get inside that app manager, click on the new button and provide all the details which is over here in this article. Okay. Okay, article. Is this article? Yeah. So on this article, I followed these steps, entire steps. See, as a DevOps Centers app, right? And then after that, I just scroll down and added all the information. Everything is very crisp and concise. You don't need to do any extra thing. Then after that, you have to create a manage permission set the moment you're ready with this. I'll come on
Yeah,
this part.
sorry for interruption.
Yes,
Please share
please.
the link.
Which link? I'll share all the link, buddy. Don't worry.
Okay.
You want the link, right? Entire link.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't worry. I'm not going to leave this. I kept this
Okay.
already.
No.
Don't worry. I'll share this in the last notice. For now, at least we discuss. Then you can utilize according to your need. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sure. Okay. So this is done. Firstly, understand the steps. What I did it. Then you can, give the interest on this. Array, let's try this because this man tried, then I can also, right? After doing this, you have to go here. Mhm. Okay. Click on manage, and then you have to do one steps over here, which is permission set. Click on this manage permission set. Like get inside that connected app, click on the manage. In the DevOps Center connected app, click on the manage, scroll down, and you see this. There's options called this. Save DevOps name credential. Grant access to the name credential needed to authenticate the work environment. Create and maintain automatically by DevOps centers. So this is the base. Another steps which we have to do while configuring this. This one is ready. Now let's see the other one. See, this way it's granted it, correct? And then after that, it's over. Next part is this. Assign the DevOps Center permission set. So you already assigned. How you have to assign? You have to assign yourself. How you will do that? Let me show you. Mm, DevOps Center. This is my. This is the one. Here you'll get an option for permission set at the top in the user detail page. Right? From there you can assign yourself. It's not loading, but you understood what I'm trying to say, right? How you can assign a permission set for yourself. Okay, these are the permission set you have to assign. Okay, these are all the permission set. Got it, guys? Yeah. See, here I come over here. Edit assignment, and then provide all the permission set to myself. DevOps Center. Press Control F. DevOps. See, DevOps Center 1, DevOps Center Manager, DevOps Release Manager, and after this one, DevOps Center is SF DevOps Initialization Environment. So type like this: SF SF. Sorry, what's the name? Let me copy the name entire name. DevOps. Okay, both of them I assigned to myself. Because I'm the user of this. Okay, now after doing this, let's move on to the articles. What it says. Just a second, guys. Hello. Yes, who's it? Sorry, actually I got one call. Sorry. Okay, so as I saw this, sorry, where is it? Create a connected app as a neighbor, and then after that there's a permission set one, right? You have to enable the permission set. Assign to see, these are the permission set. It says assign the DevOps center permission set. It explained everything about the permission sets. Okay, this is the third steps. The fourth one, update the session setting. Click on this. I didn't did this till yet, but I just explained what exactly it is. Okay, and here we go. Click on this one. One second. Hmm. Hmm. This one you have to click session setting and deselect the lock IP ranges which they oriented. Okay, this is the step. So after doing this much, you can access the app from the app launcher this way. It looks like this. Just click here and type DevOps Center. See, here you see how it works, how it looks like. Okay, so here you can connect the dots. What exactly the uses of DevOps centers? Okay, so see if you let it load. Does it load? Meanwhile, I'm checking how many people is there. Okay. If you see here, you need to create a before after doing this, you have to log into your Git. Okay. Login, GitHub login. GitHub account is very mandatory for this. Okay. GitHub login. Okay. GitHub. Guys, still here? What I did, you understood, right? Nothing fancy I did it, right? You guys can understand what I did, right?
Yeah, right.
Again, I forgot the password. Oh, no, not this. One moment, guys. Again, I forgot the password. Forget it. Verify. Submit. Reset password. One second, guys. Let me stop sharing because let me reset the password and then I'll share the screen.
So we need any configuration in GitHub.
No configuration required. I'll tell you what exactly you have to do. Don't worry. Just need to create, first of all, add your GitHub with this. It will automatically give. Just give me a little time. I'll just explain. Okay. One second. Wait. Perfect. Let me share my screen one more time, please. Okay. After doing this much step, like this configuration and all, this steps, okay, after assigning this permission set and everything, then you have to configure. After the connected app created, you assign this permission set to yourself, then you have to go to the DevOps center and assign the permission set to yourself. Okay. Then once you create it, you have to come over here in the GitHub, right? See, one AgentForce is created over here. This is the GitHub of mine, right? And see, the same name which I given over there, it is populating. What I mean, it's once you connect it, the moment you connect it over here, you get options. Like when you create a new project, let's suppose if you create a new project here, right here, it will give the option to connect. My one is already connected, but if you try it, you'll get option to connect. Okay, let me give the name called no tree. No, this is not good to take. Let's take testing. Okay, then after you, the moment you create it over here, it will connect you GitHub automatically. See, click on save and let's wait for it. But it was already connected. When you do it first time, you'll get these features. See, testing. Now see the magic. It should be there on the GitHub. Refresh the page and let's go. Click on this repository. Testing. It's created, right? Just now created. So it's connected. So till now I've learned that much. So I explained everything so that you guys can understand what's DevOps Center it is. Okay. So let me share the article. You guys follow the entire statements. Okay. And let me know if this will work. Okay, guys. Got it?
Yeah, sure.
Everyone? I think you showed the interest. You have a
Yeah, I
little more
got it.
understanding on this, right? So, Shravan, any question?
No.
Just follow the article. You'll get to know. You can at least try to create a DevOps center. Though it's okay, you do not have a sandbox. That's okay. But the steps
Okay.
which I suggested, you can try. You can create a GitHub and you can connect it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kunal. Any question? You understood, Kunal, what I did? Suraj, any question? You understood?
Yeah, that's true.
Good. You said no question, right?
No.
Okay, thank you. Afseen, your turn. You understood? You left it in between, but you got it, right? Afseen, are you there? I think C has some problem with the internet. No problem. So guys, try it. It's apart from the agent force, but I taught it. But you can try. At least it's also useful, right? You can check in future. if you will work somewhere, if you got an opportunity to learn, definitely you can try it. It's definitely it's useful for the future perspective, right?